Hello, and welcome back to the Novice Artist Studio. I'm so happy you're here today. Whether you found this video while looking for painting inspirations, or you're simply taking a break from a busy day, thank you for spending these few minutes with me. Grab a cup of coffee, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's enjoy this peaceful painting journey together. Today's artwork is really close to my heart, because this is my very first acrylic painting. It's not perfect, and honestly, I don't want it to be. Every brushstroke reminds me that every artist starts as a beginner. Every color, every tiny imperfection, and every small decision became part of the learning process. Instead of worrying about creating a masterpiece, I decided to focus on something much more important, simply enjoying the act of painting. The inspiration for today's artwork is Lord Krishna, a symbol of peace, love, music, and harmony. The vibrant blue tones, the warm yellow background, the peacock feather, the flute, and the traditional elements all come together to create something that feels calm and meaningful. As the colors slowly build up on the paper, I hope this painting brings you the same sense of peace that I felt while creating it. These days, it's so easy to spend hours scrolling through our phones without even realizing it. One short video becomes another, then another, and suddenly an hour has disappeared. We call it doomscrolling. And most of us have been there. We keep searching for something interesting, something entertaining, or something that makes us feel better, but many times we end up feeling more tired, distracted, and overwhelmed than when we started. That's one of the reasons I love making art. Painting has a unique way of slowing everything down. The moment you pick up a brush, your attention naturally shifts away from the noise around you. You stop thinking about unread messages, work deadlines, social media notifications, and all the little worries that fill your mind throughout the day. Your focus becomes the next brushstroke, the next color, and the next detail. It's almost like giving your brain permission to rest. Art isn't about being perfect. It's about being present. When you paint, you're not competing with anyone. You're not chasing likes, views, or followers. You're simply spending time creating something with your own hands. That feeling is becoming increasingly rare in today's fast-paced world, and I think that's exactly why creativity feels so refreshing. One thing I've learned while working on this painting is that patience is part of the process. Acrylic paint doesn't always behave the way you expect. Sometimes the colors blend beautifully, and sometimes they don't. Sometimes a mistake turns into your favorite part of the artwork. Instead of getting frustrated, I learned to slow down, adapt, and trust the process. Maybe that's a lesson we can take beyond painting as well. Life doesn't always go according to plan. We all make mistakes. We all have days when things don't work out the way we hoped. But just like a painting, every experience adds another layer to who we are. Even the parts we think are mistakes often make the final picture more interesting. If you've never tried painting before, let this be your sign to start. You don't need expensive supplies. You don't need years of experience. You don't even need to know what you're doing. All you need is a blank sheet of paper, a few colors, and the willingness to begin. The goal isn't to paint like someone else. The goal is simply to enjoy the process. Some days you'll create something beautiful, and some days you'll simply learn something new. Both are equally valuable. I truly believe that spending even 15 or 20 minutes creating something can completely change your mood. It gives your mind a chance to slow down, your thoughts a chance to settle, and your creativity a chance to grow. Instead of reaching for your phone every time you have a free moment, try reaching for a sketchbook or a paintbrush instead. You might be surprised by how peaceful it feels. This painting also reminds me that growth happens one small step at a time. Every artist you admire once painted their very first canvas. Every creator started with uncertainty. The only difference is that they didn't stop after the first attempt. They kept showing up, kept practicing, and kept believing that improvement would come with time. If this video helped you slow down, inspired you to create, or simply gave you a few peaceful minutes away from the endless scrolling, then it has already accomplished its purpose. Thank you so much for watching and supporting this little corner of creativity. Every view, every like, every comment, and every subscription genuinely means the world to a small creator like me. It encourages me to keep learning, keeps experimenting, and keep sharing this journey with all of you. If you enjoy relaxing art videos, acrylic painting, pencil art, Zentangle, mindful drawing, and creative DIY projects, I'd love for you to become part of this growing community. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and join me for many more creative adventures. Until next time, remember to take a break from doom scrolling, make time for yourself, create something with your own hands, and let art remind you that peace is often found in the simplest moments. Take care, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.